Ladies and gentlemen, fantastic day for my home gym. You don't have to have this for your home gym, but I'm personally going to use it for it. A large digital clock, count up, countdown timer. That's what I'm going to be using it for my boxing gym. Day display, you can do it in Celsius or Fahrenheit for temperature. You got your calendar and 12 and 24 hour time format, which is awesome. So first and foremost, I live in Colorado where we actually do care about the temperature. And the reason I say that is because I grew up in Southern California where it was hot or nice, where I didn't really care about the temperature, but I have my shop where I have my Muay Thai boxing bag. And so this is a great feature I do care about. And of course, the count up or countdown timer for my intervals on the bag. Just like all my videos, in the description box right below the video, top link will be this exact same digital clock. It does come in different colors. I have the white color, but you guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself after the video is done. Once again, top link in the description box below. Okay, looks like right here we have a cord and plug, and I'll get you some specifications on that just in case you are hanging this in your gym as well. We got the manual and clock, and I didn't mention it off the bat, but you do have a remote control, which is awesome because where I plan to hang this in my gym, I'm not going to crawl up on a ladder every time I want to set a timer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the remote control next to where I have my water bottle and reset the timers, intervals, and of course we're going to show you that. I'll have to set a quick timer while I'm resting in between interval rounds, etc. You do have your little mounting holes right there, which is nice. So all you do is you put that up against wherever you're going to do it, pop in a little hole, marker hole, so you know exactly where your mounts are going to go. First and foremost, let's get off this large. It's gonna be like a big cell phone here. Very nice. And like I already mentioned, you can see it in the description box below, but they have red, I believe like a blue. I got the white color myself. It does look like it has an hourly chime as well that you could probably toggle off or on. So the back of it here, if you do not want to mount it, then it does have a stand as well. We all have seen stands and know what they do. Definitely a nice feature if you'd rather have that down below where you might need it. Okay, over here on this side, it is battery backup power, so if you do lose power, it will keep the time for you there, which is nice. Now down here is where you insert your power cord here, wrap around your XS in here, draws out this way for cord management. And then down here is brightness adjustment. There's auto, low, or high. Depends on what time of day, during the daytime or nighttime. If it's too bright, go ahead and toggle through those, whatever is best for you. And over here on this side are all your buttons. You got snooze, set, timer, hour, timer, Celsius, Fahrenheit, alarm setting, timer, etc. And the remote control does have brightness settings right here as well. Timer reset, which is nice. Looks like volume of maybe your countdown beeping or something like that. We're going to play with that, don't worry. Your timer, set it all right here. Temperature, enter exit time. So all of your settings can be either on the device or with the remote control right here, which is great. And if you are wondering, the cable length is guesstimation about 6 feet or so. Well, that is pretty cool in my opinion. Very, very nice. I do need to set the time. That's not the correct time, but this is all correct. That is the date. That is the day. And again, the white, I think that looks really, really sharp. Again, the temperature gauge is really sweet. They do give you batteries, which is really nice for the unit and the remote control, but remove the plastic off of the batteries and the remote control first before you can use it. What is nice about the remote control is auto dimming with the remote control. So let's watch that as it toggles down. And that's the lowest right there. And then you'll toggle it up, which is really cool. Again, it has an alarm function where you can set an alarm with the snooze button, so you can use this as a really huge alarm clock for your house if you'd rather have it inside your house. But I'm personally going to use this for a big shop clock for my wood shop slash boxing gym slash Muay Thai area. Now for the chime, if you do want the chime, they have 3 different modes: Ave Maria plus chime, Westminster Abbey plus chime, or just the chime. So as we can hear there, that's if the timer stops, which is nice. So I'm going to put the microphone a little closer. And you can raise or lower the volume as well. So you can either obviously do a countdown timer up or a countdown timer down. But what I would do is I'm going to go ahead and hit my minute button. That's going to give me 1 minute right there. I'm going to hit the timer button and then it starts going down right there. And so as it goes all the way down to the beep section here, And then I hit timer reset and it automatically went back to the last one that I had before. Or you hit it again and it goes back to 0 completely right there, which is nice, right? Especially because I'm going to be using this for my different rounds to be able to reset it. And then if you don't do anything with the timer, it'll click back over to your time and date. And then if you want to get back to the timer, go ahead and hit your timer reset. Alrighty folks, not the permanent location of the clock, but we got it right over here. Again, this is all my stuff. I'm in a full remodel and obviously all this is going to go into the house, well, most of it. Anyway, I like that location, but what I'll probably do eventually, and in person this is not beeping, it's just a camera filming a digital clock, that's why you get that, but in person it's not doing that. It's beautiful, looks great. What I'll eventually do is probably hang it up on the 2x4s right here or up on top of the beam up here so I can see it a little bit better. But I got my kickboxing bag right here. I do need to clean up the shop a little bit. I've been working out inside, but what I do like about this, even when I'm working on the van, is I can look over. Right now it says 48 degrees. 3:08 p.m. I really like that because before I had this small clock right over here and that time isn't even correct. That's like 3:53. That is nice and large. And again, sorry, the camera's not picking this up. So typically when I'm in here using my Muay Thai bag, I would probably set this over here and this box is just over here a little bit. I'd come over, I grab my remote control, I go ahead and enter the timer, as we can see here. And then again, seconds, you can add seconds, you can add a minute, I can reset it. So let's go 1 minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit timer start. So now it's starting, I'll start to box, and most likely what I'll do is I'll put it like at 1 minute, 5 seconds, give myself enough time to put the controller down, get back in front of the bag, and start boxing. Then let's say for some oddball reason a phone call comes in, then I stop the timer at 35 seconds, resume, or reset it and start over again. Great feature for what I'm intending to use it for. Now, if you want the count up feature, this is what's really cool. So you go to the timer. So if you're off of the timer, again, you just hit enter timer in the middle there, and then start timer. So now you'll start counting upwards. If let's say you want to work out for 30 minutes on the dot and you just rather have a timer going instead of a clock, you could stop that, reset it, exit timer. Very cool. Again, I'm very sorry it's flickering on us. So overall, a great digital clock. Again, if you want to get your hands on it, look in the top link in the description box right below the video will be this digital clock. And on your way out, if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, as well as tech reviews, DIY house build projects, and van life builds. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Again, your link is in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.